Hey guys, my name is Lily and today I want to show you how you can make your own paleo energy bar. So I've been on the paleo diet for a couple of months now and I really love it. I'm doing so much better than on my other diets. So paleo is apparently the right thing for me. The only thing that's missing really is a snack that I can grab if I'm in a hurry and have to leave my home. So today I want to make myself some paleo energy bars. And the first ingredient that I want to use today is blueberries. And I have some blueberry shrubs here in my garden. And now I want to harvest them and dehydrate them overnight so I can continue making energy bars tomorrow. So as you can see, I have a lot of blueberry shrubs here in my garden and we love them. We eat a lot of blueberries and I decided to grow them myself because they are kind of expensive if you buy them in the store. So I want to dehydrate them to make them last, and a couple of them I'm going to use for my energy bars. I'm really happy that I have a lot of blueberries this year. I was a little bit anxious because spring was really cold, like 3 months it was too cold, and I was anxious that the blossom was freezing off, but I was lucky and this year I have a great blueberry harvest. So as you can see, my blueberry shrubs are packed with blueberries, and if you want to grow them, here's a pro tip. You want to use compost which is sour, so don't use the normal soil that you can buy in the store. You need some kind of sour soil, and then you have to keep the soil sour by adding pine needles or by adding spruce needles. And once the needles break open, they will release the acidity, and then the rain will wash the acidity into the ground and keep the soil acid. So you need a pH of about 4.5 in order for the blueberries to thrive. Nice. Okay, after 24 hours of dehydrating, my blueberries are dry. And some of them are like pinkish. I believe those are the ones that are not ripe. But the blue ones, they are really tasty. Okay, next I want to make some fruit leather from strawberries. And it's the end of strawberry season, so let's see how many I can still get. Hopefully it's enough to make a good portion of fruit leather. Yeah, so unfortunately these are all of the good strawberries, the last ones of this year's harvest. And that's not enough. So yeah, now I want to mix in some blueberries to get more volume. And this should give us a nice violet color. Alright, I got this much of berries and now let's make some fruit leather out of it. Okay, for this amount of fruit leather I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Wow, look at this. Nice. So this is completely dry. It's not sticky anymore. So here I have a really nice cut of beef. and I cut it into thin strips so I can dehydrate it quicker. And yeah, it looks really nice. It doesn't have any fat on it, and it should take a couple of hours until it's dry.
Was ist das? Ein Fleisch? Ein Babyen?
Ja, das ist ein Fleisch von einer Kuh. Und das tun wir trocknen. Im Trocknen. Ja.
Kuh?
Ja, von der Kuh.
Ein Fleischdinosaurier?
Nein, nicht von Dinosaurier. Nicht von Dinosaurier.
Fleischdinosaurier?
Ja. Amy, go away. Maybe one more hour. Amy, good girl. Okay, so now that I have all of my ingredients, I want to start and grind my blueberries. Okay, this didn't really work. This grinder is not the best, I have to say. Okay, so this is the beef jerky that I dried. Now I want to find out if I can grind this down with this type of grinder or not. Okay, this is working better. So now I want to try and add the berries again. Maybe those will be now mixed better too. Okay, so we have a little bit of a powder, but also still some chunks of meat in here. And I really have to get myself a better mixer or grinder in this case. So yeah, but still I think this is going to work for my energy bars. Okay, I got 153 grams of fruit and meat. Okay, usually for this recipe you would use beef tallow, but unfortunately I could not get one which was organic. So now I'm going to take organic coconut oil as an alternative. Okay, let's start with 110 grams first. Okay, so unfortunately I used a little bit too much of oil because I thought that the meat is going to take up more oil, but it did not. So because of the liquid consistency, I now want to pour in some coconut flour, and this will make the energy bar harder. Now I want to take my fruit ladder and place it into this tray. Okay, on top I'm going to lay another layer of fruit ladder. And now I want to add some pine nuts. Okay, now I put this into the refrigerator and then we take a look once this has hardened. Alright guys, so I had the energy bar in the freezer and now it looks like this. So the mass has gotten really hard and now finally I can cut it into squares. This is really good. Oh my god. Wow. Not too bad. But the nuts are falling off. So next time I'm going to put the nuts into the mess. This is the fruit ladder. So next time I want to make the fruit ladder a little bit thicker, because if you make it thin, it will be easy to break. So next time just a little bit thicker, but otherwise the energy bar tastes awesome. Alright folks, so these are my new paleo energy bars and I'm pretty proud of them. But next time I'm going to use less fat and a little bit of a thicker fruit ladder. But other than that, it tastes great. And now I'm going to store my energy bars in the freezer, and that's because of the nuts, because nuts do not hold that long. So they will become rancid in a couple of weeks or months. And this is why I want to rather freeze my energy bars instead of just storing them in my basement. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your own energy bars, and I have to say I'm pretty proud of them. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till next time.